If you've ever wanted to transform your backyard into a comfortable outdoor living room that you can enjoy throughout the year, the Purple Leaf Sunroom Solarium screened gazebo, 12 feet by 24 feet, is one of the most impressive options available. More than just a traditional gazebo, this enclosed structure is designed to function as a versatile outdoor room where you can relax, entertain guests, dine with family, or even create a luxurious hot tub retreat. With its durable aluminum frame, removable polycarbonate panels, screened walls, and modern design, it offers the comfort of indoor living while keeping you connected to the outdoors. One of the biggest advantages of this gazebo is its generous 12 by 24-foot footprint. Unlike smaller gazebos that only accommodate a table and a few chairs, this spacious design provides enough room for outdoor sofas, dining furniture, televisions, grills nearby, or even a spa setup. Whether you're hosting weekend gatherings or simply enjoying your morning coffee, the large interior feels open, functional, and inviting. The standout feature is the dual-layer wall system that combines permanent mesh screens with removable tinted polycarbonate (PC) panels. The mesh allows fresh air to circulate while helping keep insects outside, making it perfect for warm summer evenings. When temperatures drop or windy weather arrives, the removable PC panels provide additional protection against wind and light rain while also increasing privacy. This flexible design allows you to adapt the gazebo to changing seasons without sacrificing comfort. The roof is another highlight. Purple Leaf uses a galvanized steel double roof design, which improves airflow by allowing hot air to escape through the upper vent. This helps reduce heat buildup during sunny afternoons while also providing reliable protection from rain and harmful UV rays. The result is a cooler, more enjoyable environment for outdoor dining, reading, or watching TV. Daily access is convenient thanks to the dual magnetic sliding doors located at the front and rear. The doors slide smoothly, and a magnetic closure helps keep them securely shut while maintaining a more private and enclosed atmosphere. Unlike traditional swinging doors, the sliding design saves space and feels modern and practical. Durability is another major strength. The powder-coated aluminum frame resists rust, corrosion, and weather exposure while requiring very little maintenance. Its gray finish complements a wide range of patio furniture, landscaping styles, and outdoor decor, making it easy to integrate into both modern and traditional backyards. Another thoughtful addition is the integrated storage rack for the removable panels. Instead of wondering where to safely store the panels when they're not in use, Purple Leaf provides a dedicated storage solution that keeps everything organized and protected from accidental damage. Assembly is the one area where buyers should prepare carefully. This is not a quick afternoon project. Due to its size and complexity, the manufacturer recommends 4 to 6 people, although several owners have successfully completed the installation with 3 adults. Depending on experience, expect the project to take 2 full weekends or roughly 18 to 20 hours. Having multiple ladders, carefully organizing the parts, and following the instructions step by step will make the process much smoother. Fortunately, customer feedback indicates that the overall build quality makes the effort worthwhile. One homeowner praised the high-quality materials and noted that despite building the gazebo on a sloped concrete pad, the finished structure came together successfully. They also highlighted Purple Leaf's responsive customer service, which quickly replaced missing hardware within days. Another owner shared several helpful installation tips, emphasizing the importance of identifying the numbered panels correctly and using 2 tall ladders during roof construction. Although the build required approximately 18 hours across 3 adults, they described the finished gazebo as exceptionally sturdy, spacious, and beautiful. The extra roof height even provided enough clearance for installing ceiling fans, adding even more comfort during warm weather. Beyond durability and functionality, this gazebo dramatically enhances the overall appearance of any backyard. Its modern architecture, large windows, and enclosed design create an elegant focal point that increases both visual appeal and usable outdoor living space. Whether you're creating an outdoor dining room, reading lounge, entertainment area, yoga studio, or family gathering space, The possibilities are nearly endless. Overall, the purple leaf sunroom solarium screened gazebo 12 feet by 24 feet is an outstanding investment for homeowners who want to maximize their outdoor living experience. Its spacious layout, durable aluminum construction, removable PC panels, ventilated double roof, magnetic sliding doors, and attractive modern design combine to create a premium backyard retreat. While assembly requires time, planning, and several helping hands, the finished result is a beautiful, functional, and long-lasting outdoor space that can be enjoyed throughout every season. If you're looking to upgrade your patio into a true outdoor room, this gazebo is an excellent choice.